Question number 19. If x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280, then show that xy plus d2y upon dx2 plus a is equal to 0. Now first write down given x is equal to 80 square given and y is equal to 280. Now x is equal to 80 square. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of x with respect to t is dx upon dt is equal to a into derivative of t square is 2t. Therefore is equal to 280. Number 1. And y is equal to 280. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. We get dy by dt is equal to 2a into derivative of t is 1 is equal to 2a. This is number 2. Now we have to find value of dy by dx. आपल्याला dy by dx ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. फॉर्म्युला लिहा. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. किमती ठेवा. dy by dt ची किंमत काय? dy by dt is 2a is equal to 2a upon dx upon dt is 280. 280. 2 get cancelled, a get cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t. Here write down using 1 and 2. आपल्याला इथे काय पाहिजे? xy d2y upon dx2 म्हणजे सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पाहिजे. Therefore, differentiate with respect to t. Again, differentiate with respect to x. d2y upon dx2 d2y upon dx2 is equal to derivative of 1 upon t square is derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. 1 upon t चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येतो? minus 1 upon t square into dt upon derivative of t is dt upon dx is equal to minus 1 upon t square into dt upon dx ला असं लिखता येईल 1 upon dx upon dt is equal to minus 1 upon t square into 1 upon dx by dt ची व्हॅल्यू काय? dx by dt is 280. That is 1 upon 280. Therefore, d2y upon dx2 d2y upon dx2 is equal to minus 1 upon 280 cube 280 cube. आता पहा ही झाली व्हॅल्यू d2y upon dx2. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? आपल्याला हे दाखवायचं आहे LHS is equal to RHS दाखवायचं आहे. Now write down LHS Now left hand side LHS is equal to xy plus d2y upon dx2 xy plus d2y upon dx2 plus a is equal to, आता पहा x ची व्हॅल्यू काय, पुट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x ची व्हॅल्यू (80 square), value of x is 80 square into y is 280 plus value of d2 upon dx2 ची काय व्हॅल्यू -1 upon 280 cube plus a is equal to, पहा मल्टिप्लिकेशन घ्या, 80 square plus 280 2a square t cube 2a square t cube xy, आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे xy d2y upon dx2, इथे प्लस साइन आहे, xy into d2y upon dx2 म्हणजे इथं काही मल्टिप्लाय, 2a square t cube into -1 upon 2a t cube plus a, आता 2 get cancel, t cube get cancel, 1a get cancel, हा एक a get cancel झाला, इथं काय राहिलं -a into -1 is -a plus a is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. आपल्याला इक्वल टू काय दाखवायचं होतं, राईट हँड साइड LHS is equal to RHS झालं, therefore xy into d2y upon dx2 plus a is equal to 0 हेच आपल्याला दाखवायचं होतं. दिस इज द आन्सर.